Hi guys, so today I received my Nature Republic and baliktad pa siya. Nature Republic products. The parcel. This is the parcel. I already opened it. I bought it online at SHOPEE and let's see what I've got. So it was nicely packed with this, I don't know how do you call it one. I have this. So I have this black bean anti-hair loss shampoo. I want to try this one because I am having difficulty with my hair nowadays. Actually, since I give birth to my son, so my hair started to fall and it's really quite a lot. So I want to try this one, the anti-hair loss shampoo black bean from Nature Republic, and see how it was. So I will let you know if it's really effective on my hair, because I really struggling with my hair nowadays because it's falling off quite a lot. So let me try this one and I will give you a review about a month if it is really effective. So moving on, I also got anti-hair loss treatment. It's also from Nature Republic and it's the black bean, same as the shampoo one. So it's in the same range of black bean. So this is the anti-hair loss treatment from Nature Republic as well. So it will all goes together with the shampoo. So this is how it looks like, and it is in 200 ml and the shampoo is 300 ml. Okay, so moving on, I also ordered some serum. And I want to show you what serum that I bought. So I have this serum. This is the T3 serum for the pore care. So I want to try this one if it's really worth the try, and let's see how. So I have this. It's in a pump bottle. And moving on, another one, I also got a serum. It's for the Elasticity. This is the Collagen Skin Elasticity. So it's also comes in a pump bottle, and I will put this under my description if it's how many ml. And I also bought another serum, and it's for peeling. It's for peeling, and it is a HA. So it also comes in a pump bottle, so it's easy for you to dispense the serum. So these are the 3 serums that I bought from Nature Republic. So moving on, I also have another one. Oh, this is the other one for the black bean range. So this is the hair tonic. So this is the black bean anti-hair loss root tonic. So this one is for the hair tonic. It comes together with the shampoo and the treatment. So there you go. I will try it and let's see if it's really worth it. So they give me one small pack of this Vita Pear See Dark Spot Serum. This is just for free and it's a free sample. So thanks for this one. And I also want to try this one because I like to use a cushion foundation whenever I go out, so it's easier for me to put on some little makeup on my face. And just this one, a little bit of blush on and a little bit of lip tint. So this is how it looks like. Press over here to open. Okay, there you go. And this is the foam to use, and it's just sealed. So it has a mirror in it and it smells nice. So I want to try this one if it's really good, and if it's really good, so I'm gonna change to this brand, Nature Republic, and I'm gonna buy it again next time. So the expiration is 2022 of March. So it's on March 2022. It would be by next year. Yeah, it's next year March. So the what's this, the shade of this one is Y22 Pure Vanilla. So it's the Provence Air Skin Fit 1 Day Lasting Foundation Cushion, and it's from Nature Republic. So I'm gonna try it again for my next vlog, for my next makeup vlog, and I'm gonna show you this one and give you some reviews about this cushion foundation. So these are all what I bought, and I want to show you this serum. I want to open it and show you how it is. They gave me a free, oh my god, so noisy. They gave me a free poster of, I'm not a fan of K-pop, but they gave me this Nature Republic poster of, who is he? I don't know who is he. It's from the NCT. How to open it? Okay, so it's from Nature Republic and NCT 127. I don't know who is he. Oh, his name is Yuta, and he got his friend signed over there, and he's from NCT 127. So I already opened it, and let's see. Let's try one by one. So I'm gonna show you how you have to pump this one, and I'm gonna show you the serum inside. So this is the T3 serum, and it looks like this one. If you all can see, it looks like this one, and it's like a clear gel, and hopefully it's going to be good on my skin too. I'm so sorry for the very noisy background because there is construction working at our opposite of our house, so I'm so sorry for that, and I hope you still can hear my voice. So there you go. You open the other one. Let's open this AHA. So the next one I'm going to put is this. I put this collagen for the skin elasticity. Oh, there you go. There is the ml. So it's 30 ml. I think it's all 30 ml each. So this is how it looks like. It is like quite a small amount of it. I tried the tea tree serum on my face and it's easily to absorb on the skin. And this one is the collagen, and the color is a bit of white, and it's like lotion. So there you go. So we're going to see the AHA next. This is just a clear serum. And by the way, the smell of this collagen serum is very nice. It smells like lime scent. So it's really nice. So we're going to try this one. So the last serum that I put is this one. It's the Peeling 1 AHA, and it's quite watery. There you go. It's already spreading on my head. It's quite watery, and it's just a clear serum one, watery one, and it looks like that one. Alright guys, so these are the few items that I bought online from Nature Republic, and I'm gonna try it all and I'm gonna see how it works, and if it's really nice I'm gonna buy again. And regarding this shampoo and for the anti-hair loss treatment and the tonic, so I'm gonna give you a review for this one after a month, maybe, I think. So if it's really nice and it works on my hair, then I will surely buy again from Nature Republic. So guys, this is all I've got from Nature Republic, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and click that notification down below. And if you want to see some of my Singapore vlogs, so please do check on my Singapore vlogs playlist. And thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Keep safe everyone. Bye.